Welcome back, HubSpot heroes. Today, I teach you how to use HubSpot effortlessly. Let's learn how to use HubSpot dashboard filters in less than 59 seconds. I'm sure you have enough of having 50 plus reports in your HubSpot when you can only have 10 reports without all these duplicates, because you have to add this filter to that report and this filter to this report. Also, there is a report limit. For Pro Hub, you can get only up to 100 reports, and Enterprise, you can get only 500. And after that, you have to pay $200 per month to have 3,000 reports. So I'm sure you don't want to pay more. You already paid a lot. So let's save some money and optimize your HubSpot dashboard with filters right now. Okay, so go to your HubSpot and go to your dashboard. You can navigate dashboard over there if you want. And here you have two options. You have quick filters and advanced filters. So I will start with advanced filters. So here you can select the frequency. So it will be like daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. And this is for your x-axis here. So here, for example, it's a created date. So if I select monthly, it will show only on a monthly basis how many contacts we created, not by day here, but by month. And you see, it will apply to all reports. You can also add some filters over there. I can say UTM campaign is known. So for example, if I want to show only leads coming from a campaign, and you have also different filters based on different properties, but you can also use your custom properties on the contact or the company from the data source contacts here, because it's only reports with contact, but you can use that for also deals, companies, and whatever you want. If you want, you can clear all filters over there, and you can add quick filters. So this can be really handy. So for example, I can add date range, owners, and add them. And now when you go to your dashboard, you can click on owners and select any of. And what's really handy also, it's me. So this value is dynamically applied to the current user. What I will see will be different that another HubSpot user will see, for example. It's really great when you have a dashboard for sales rep, for example, and one sales rep want to see his own data and the other one want to see his or her own data. But you can also click on advanced filters, click on quick filters, and add other quick filters. So for example, I can add UTM campaign. Here I click on that, customize. You can apply a label and a description if you want, save, and you will have it over there. And you can click on any hub and you can quickly filter by your UTM campaign. If you want, you can delete this quick filter here, or you can remove all quick filters here. And that's all. So I hope this tutorial helped you to better understand how you can apply filters on a different dashboard and save many time for your team. If you really like this video, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this. And until next time, see you to the next video.